Welcome to my channel, dear students. Here is the problem of differential equation, and this form is called the homogeneous differential equation. For that, we let us assume y is equal to vx. Okay, y equal to vx. Actually, this type of differential is called homogeneous when the degree of this is 2 and also the degree of x into y this is 2 also. It can be also expressed as a y by x. Total expression would be expressed as a y by x. Then in place of y by x, we put as a v. So see, first that is dy equal to minus twice xy and dx, and this equal to dy by dx. See, this is twice x by x minus y whole square. Again, see the degree of x into y, this is called 2, and also degree of this is here 2. And if we take common x, and it can be also expressed as a y by x, so that is 2 xy. Take common x square, then it would be 1 minus y by x, and this is whole square, and this is again write y by x, and this is here 1 minus y by x, and see in the whole form as expressed like y by x. So then we can let us assume the whole thing like y by x as a v. So that's why it's called the homogeneous equation. So let and y is equal to actually vx. So if we differentiate, so dy is equal to dy dx is equal to v derivative of x is 1 x into dv and dx. So from this, in place of dy by dx, we put here v plus x into dv and dx minus twice times of v by 1 minus v whole square. So x into dv dx, and that is 2v by 1 minus v whole square minus v y by x and 1 minus y by x. Okay, 1 minus v whole square minus 2v minus v into 1 minus v whole square. Okay. This is your 3. So v square minus 2v plus 3. This is a minus 2. V into v square minus 2v plus 3. And this is dv minus dx by x. So this over this. So it can be written as dv by v minus 2 dv by v into v square minus 2v plus 3 and dv, that is minus dx over x. So this would be a partial fraction, that is dv by v and v square minus 2v plus 3 here. So 1 by v into v square minus 2v plus 3. And that is equal to a by x, a by v plus bv plus c by v square 2v plus 3. So 1 is equal to 1 into v square minus 2v plus 3, and this is bv square plus cv. Okay, putting v is equal to 0, then 1 is equal to v0, then 3a v0, then a equal to 1/3, and comparing the coefficient of v square on both sides. So on the left hand side the coefficient of v square is 0, on the right hand side here is a and v, so therefore b equal to minus a. Coefficient of constant. So on the left hand side here is 1, and this is 3a, and okay, so we got here a. So next v, on the left hand side here is 0, this is minus twice a, and this is c. Okay, therefore c is equal to minus plus twice a. So here is a means minus 1/3, 1/3 actually, then b is minus 1/3, and c is 2 into 2 by 3. Okay, so for in place of that, that is dv by v minus 2 times of, that is a by v plus bv plus c by v square 2v plus 3, and dv minus dx by x, dv by v. A means 1/3, b dv minus 2, and this is b here minus 1/3, b, c means here 2/3, v square minus 2v plus c, and dv minus dx by x. Okay, integral dv by v 2 by 3 dv by v okay plus 2 by 3, this is here v minus 2 by v square 2v plus 3, and dv minus dx by x. Okay, this is here both the same, 1 minus 2/3, this is 1/3 ln v, 2/3. Okay, if we differentiate this, and for that v minus 2 is equal to is equal to if we differentiate z equal to v square minus 2v plus 3 dz 2v minus 2 2v minus 2 and dv. Okay, so 2v minus 4, so here 2v minus 2 2v minus 2 dv by v square 2v plus 3. Okay, this is minus 2, so this is minus 2/3 dv by v square minus 2v plus 3 minus dx by x. One third ln v, one third ln mod of v square 2v plus 3, and this is here 2/3 dv by, so v minus v1 whole square plus root 2 whole square equal to minus ln x. So you can write here 1/3 ln v means y by x, 1/3 ln y square by x square y by x plus 3. Okay, and this is a tan inverse minus 2 by 3 1 by a, and tan inverse v minus 1 by root 2, v minus v means y by x minus 1 and root 2, and that is equal to minus ln x plus c. Okay, so this is your answer.